Hey traders, welcome to another update from Global FX Education. Today we are going to speaking about an update on gold and what we can expect throughout the next week. Now, before I continue, I would like to explain to you guys that I'm not a fundamental trader. I don't care about the news about the war in Russia and Ukraine. For me, it's all based on price action. The news is just there to confuse traders. So before we get into this analysis, I would like to tell you I'm not a fundamental trader. I don't care about the news. I only base my analysis on price action. Um, in any case, if there is some sort of war in Russia and in Ukraine, gold is possible for it to shoot up and continue this bullish pattern that I will explain to you guys in a while. So without further ado, let's dive right into it, and I will show you guys exactly what my technical analysis is and what we can expect from gold and what I expect from gold. Now, if you're going on the monthly time frame, first of all, what you can see is of course this nice flagpole. We have this massive flagpole pattern, plus we have this very nice this flag pattern over here. So we have basically a flagpole and we have the flag. So once a market is in this type of bullish pattern, at some point in the future, the market will break out from this flag pattern and have this very big move to the upside. So it's basically just an impulse complex correction and then another impulse to the upside. So monthly, we are looking definitely for a bigger push to the upside. Now, I would just like to point out to you guys a few areas on gold that you can look for a good buy opportunity and try to think of it as an investment. Try to think of it as a not just a signal. Try to think of it as an investment and something that you can use and hold long term for 2022. So I will leave the link in the description of my previous video as well, so that you can check that out. As we predicted, the market had followed exactly what we said. Now, going down on the 2 week time frame, because I normally go down on the 1 week time frame, but in this case, uh, I find a little bit more information on the 2 week time frame. So anyway, what I would like to point out on the 2 week time frame is that gold is now trading above a strong resistance point, which is over here. This is quite a strong area of resistance over here. It is now trading basically in that area over here, and we can definitely find that the market will start to make a push to the downside. Now, it's not going to be such a bigger, huge push, but what I would like to show you guys, the area that we are looking for to buy gold long term is this area over here, because this is a very strong area. It was strong resistance before, it was strong resistance before, it was strong resistance before, and now that the market has basically pushed above this area over here, just remember guys that the weekly candle has not closed yet. So you must always keep in mind that the weekly candle has not closed, and we definitely want to see a nice push to this area before we have a continuation pattern to the upside. Let me go down on the weekly and the daily time frame, and I will show you guys exactly what I mean. Before we go on to this two different time frames, I would like to show you guys some pattern that I really love to trade, which is a W formation. You can see that the gold had made a very bullish pattern, which is a double bottom, or you can call it a W formation as well. And we expect the market to retest the neckline as well. So I'm going to go down on the daily time frame, and I will show you guys exactly what I'm looking at for the daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, yes, it is true, and it is right that we have some resistance over here, previous support here, previous resistance here, and we expect the market to find support here. But for me, as a swing trader, I would rather wait a little bit and wait for the market to come down a little bit more, because after such a big push to the upside, we need a complex correction before we can actually get another bigger push to the upside for this commodity. I think this is more for small traders. This area over here is for more smaller traders that are looking to buy a very small TP intraday signal. But for me, guys, the best place to be looking for a good long-term opportunity to buy gold would be in this area here between 1830, around the 1830 area. I'm suggesting to you guys to look out for the 1830 area because this is a nice round number, um, and this is a very good area to basically look for a long-term buy. So the 1830 area is definitely a nice area for a long-term buy. Let me show you why I think about this area. For the first thing is that we have quite a strong area of demand in this area. This is the demand area over here. We have a very strong area of demand, and as you know, guys, that the big banks and hedge funds, they're not going to add their positions up here, guys. They're not going to add positions up here. They will rather wait for the market to come down first before they start adding any sort of long positions. They want to get value for money with their positions. So I'm suggesting to you guys all that best that you look for a very good opportunity in the 130 area. And if you are still holding gold for long term, or you're still holding gold from my previous analysis before around this area, the 1768 1780 area, then that's good. Good for you. You can keep holding, and let's hold it until it reach our target. Now, my target for gold is quite simple. My first target, of course, when the market will reach is, of course, 1900. This is my first target over here. 1900 is my first target. Okay, 1900 is my first target. Second target will be 1950. And my third target for overall TP for this year will be 2075, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So we want to see the market at least reaching over here. As explained in my previous analysis, we want to see the market at least reaching up here um, for 2022. But on a daily time frame, this is the best opportunity, guys. This is the best opportunity. It's better to wait a little bit longer before you look for a buy opportunity on gold. And a lot of people are starting to buy because there is a lot of news coming in the market, in and out the market, that there's going to be a war and this and that. um, this for me is just a very old school trick that they used to play before about gold. um, they will get investors to basically invest in gold because of this type of news. I don't believe in the news, but yes, like I said before in the beginning of the video, the market can definitely shoot up if there is a war. So at some point in time around the 830 area, you will basically find that when the market reach this area again, there will be some news again in this area, or on this date when the market reaches here, there will be some news again telling you that there's some problems about Russia and Ukraine or this and that. And it's basically to lure people into the market. So this is my overall analysis, and this is a live analysis as well. So this is basically what I'm looking for a long-term opportunity. I'm looking for this type of movement from gold because I believe that it is very possible for market to reach 1900 by the end of February. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave your comments below. Let me know in the comments area if you would like to see any other sort of video or any sort of pair that you would like to see. You can comment below and I will be happy to help you to analyze it and show you the way, help you guys to understand the market a little bit better. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next analysis. Have a great one and God bless you.